Welcome back, everyone. N.R.T here. So, I've been working on 250 all day long. Finally was sent the correct screws after a couple times. What we're going to do is I got to get a new throttle cable. The throttle cable that I bought for this is too short. I guess it's what I get for mine aftermarket. I got to get a good throttle cable or go find my original one. I want to say huge thanks to Joe over at Offroad TV for making these aftermarket parts and calling N.R.T cranks. So I gotta do this. It's been a very big headache for over a year now. Damn points, I don't think I'll ever go back to points on these damn things. And, let's see what happens. Go switch on. How about it? Well, I think we got spark, guys. I think we got spark. I think for that to happen, I think we got spark. Now, I need to hook the carb up. I need to hook the throttle cable up once I do that and hook a fuel supply to it. I think we're going to have a running Odyssey, guys. This is rad, this is badass, and N.R.T get the job done right. About time I want to rip this damn thing. Hell yeah. Please subscribe, like, comment, share this video, and if you're on Facebook, go check out my YouTube channel, N.R.T Offroad Performance. Thanks.